So if there is no design, what is the procedure you have? Vimal.
MOC, there is no applicable. There is no MOC. What is the MOC coming when the design is coming in picture?
Yeah,
So I
that's my
think you can say project. You can say refer to for this one, and MOC is not applicable for this one. You can straight away put that way.
Refer to 1.1 only. Refer to 1.1 only. MOC is not applicable. And there's no major concern for MOC. No additional concern.
Yeah. Right, sir.
Right. Right, Mahesh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah. Who has come now?
Okay. Confirm that changes are subject to the risk assessment. There is, I think, same thing will put. No change, nothing. Here also same thing. Review the availability of the design document. There no design document, so we'll put the same thing. Yeah. But Bimal, I need active participation from your team because there are some limited information. Because this is the last opportunity.
Yeah, now this our CM joined here, so